If I walked into your restaurant right now and deleted every photo from your website, online ordering page, Google profile, DoorDash, Uber Eats, and menu, how much revenue do you think you'd lose? Most restaurant owners massively underestimate this. Here's the reality. Customers eat with their eyes first. Studies consistently show that menu items with photos receive 20 to 30% more orders than items without photos. Some delivery platforms have reported restaurants with complete photo coverage generating up to 70% more orders than restaurants with little or no photography. Think about that for a second. You spent years perfecting your recipes. You spent thousands of dollars every month on food costs, labor, rent, and marketing. Then you ask your customers to buy food they've never seen before. That's crazy. And here's where it gets even worse. Most restaurant owners know they need photos. The problem is professional food photography is expensive. You call a photographer, they want $2,000, $3,000, sometimes $5,000. Then you change your menu. Now you need to do it all over again. That's why AI changes everything. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to create professional menu photography for your entire menu in about an hour. No photographer, no studio, no expensive equipment, just your phone and AI. Step 1, take basic photos of every dish. Don't overthink this part. Take your iPhone, put the dish near a window during the day. Natural light is your friend. No flash, no weird filters, no fancy setup. Just take 3 to 5 photos of each menu item, top down, 45-degree angle, close up, that's it. The goal is not perfection, the goal is to get something done. Give AI something to work with. Step 2, upload them into ChatGPT. The new ChatGPT Image 2 model makes your photos look incredibly realistic. This wasn't possible even 6, 9, or 12 months ago. So you're gonna go ahead and open ChatGPT, upload your photo, and then use the exact prompt we're gonna paste right here. Transform this into a professional restaurant menu photo. Keep the food exactly the same, improve lighting, presentation, composition, colors, and texture. Use a clean restaurant quality background, make it look like it belongs on DoorDash, Uber Eats, and a premium restaurant website. Photorealistic, commercial food photography. The prompt is on the screen, but we've also put it in the description below. You're gonna immediately get something dramatically better than the original photo. But don't stop there. Generate 3 to 5 variations. Just tell the AI to do it and then pick the best one. Step 3, create consistency across your entire menu. This is where most restaurants screw up. One photo is bright, one photo is dark, one has a wooden table, one has a marble background, one looks like it came from 2017. Consistency matters. Once you find a style you like, use the same prompt in the AI for every single item. Same background, same lighting, same angle, same overall aesthetic. You want your menu to feel like it came from a professional photo shoot, not a collection of random images. Step 4, prioritize your top sellers first. Don't start with all 100 menu items, you're gonna burn yourself out. Start with your top 10 sellers, your highest margin items, your signature dishes, your desserts, and your appetizers. These are the items that move revenue the fastest. Remember, the goal is increasing average order value. A great photo of your appetizer can sell more appetizers than any server ever will. A great dessert photo can dramatically increase attachment rates. Step 5, put these photos everywhere, okay? You've got the photos out of ChatGPT, now it's time to put them into the platforms you already use. Most restaurants stop after updating their website and maybe their POS. That's a huge mistake. You're gonna use them on Google Business Profile, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Toast Online Ordering, your website, your social media, your email marketing. Every place a customer can see your food should have great photos. Every single one. If you do nothing else this week, spend 1 hour creating professional photos of your top 10 menu items. You can do it in 5 minutes with AI. Because when customers can see what they're ordering, they order faster, they order more confidently, and they spend more money. And thanks to AI, there's really no excuse anymore not to have professional menu photography. The restaurants that figure this out first are going to have a huge advantage over everyone still showing their blurry iPhone photos from 2019.